your speech this morning, the ladies' address, and I'd love to start with just understanding why you chose that topic. Was it from the letters you received?
Because of the letters I received from Ahmadis, and then the question being raised nowadays by the press and media and some opponents of Islam and those who are jealous people. So this is why, just to encourage our people, our ladies, our girls, that they should not be ashamed of being an Ahmadi or a Muslim.
And Mac and I had a theory that perhaps you were actually talking to us as men, and more than
Yes.
the women.
Yeah, so I tried to use two-edged sword.
You succeeded. And the other follow-up question is, you talked about for married women how to be a better spouse and mother, for those in your community, in the Ahmadi community, that don't have children.
So you still have sentiments, emotions, and you like that you should have children. So they can be kind and loving to the children of the other people, right? Or you should work for those people or for orphans or some other people. This is why there are quite a number of our Ahmadi ladies who don't have children. They are quite helpful in running some orphanages. So in this way they can help.
So we would love an opportunity to pray for you as well in our faith tradition. What is it that keeps you up at night?
The biggest one is the peace of the world, the rights of human beings, and the rights of deprived people. And what is happening in the world, you all know. Any person who has some soft heart in his or her chest, they would know how to behave towards these people who are being deprived of their rights, and innocent people, orphans, those whose rights are being usurped, those who are dying of hunger. The rights of the children is being grabbed, snatched by the cruel people, right? So I have to pray for them.
We'll
And
continue.
you help me in this regard.